Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. And today we're looking at a comparison between Sage and QuickBooks. We want to see which of these accounting software wins in 2025. If you're running a business in 2025, then you definitely need the right accounting software. But which is it? Which should you choose? Sage or QuickBooks? Well, let's help you decide in just a few seconds. When it comes to ease of use, Sage is powerful but has a steeper learning curve, while QuickBooks is super intuitive and great for beginners. When it comes to pricing, Sage has a higher cost and is best for mid to large businesses. Let's just say mid-large businesses, while QuickBooks is more affordable and perfect for small businesses. When it comes to automation, Sage has advanced reporting and inventory tools, while QuickBooks is has AI-driven bookkeeping and receipt scanning. When it comes to scalability, Sage grows with your enterprise needs, while QuickBooks is best for solopreneurs and small teams. When it comes to integrations, Sage connects with enterprise software, while QuickBooks has a huge app ecosystem that is Shopify, PayPal, and the rest of them. Lastly, do they have mobile apps? And the answer is yes. Sage has a functional mobile app, but it's not as slick as that of QuickBooks. That is smooth, user-friendly. So it gives you that kind of user-friendly mobile experience. In conclusion, Sage is like a Swiss Army knife for big businesses, while QuickBooks is the friendly assistant for startups. Do you need deep financial control? Sage is your bet. Is the best bet. Do you want simplicity? Then QuickBooks should be your bet. Or better still, your choice. So for big businesses, choose Sage. For small businesses and freelancers, QuickBooks. Which one do you use? Drop a comment below, like and subscribe for more software showdowns. See you in the next one.